What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you guys can redeem Steam gift card and how to buy the Roblox point using the Steam gift card. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So open up the Steam account on either your Google Chrome website, or you can simply open up their application using your PC. And by doing so, all you have to do is to go to your profile, and then you'll have to select on view my wallet option. Just go ahead and click on that, and you will see an option just by that which says the redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Simply go ahead and click on that, and you will see the option where you guys put the Steam gift card code, and then press on the continue button, and that way your Steam gift card will be redeemed. So the next step is pretty easy and simple. Just go back to your home and make sure that you have downloaded the Roblox using the Steam platform. Otherwise, you won't be able to redeem the gift card in order to get the Roblox point. For that, just simply download the Roblox using the Steam account. And once you have downloaded it, go to the go to the Roblox application. So once you're on the Roblox application, you will see a bunch of options. On the top right corner, you will see Roblox buy option, which says balance, and you can buy the Roblox using the Steam gift card if you have redeemed one. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.